Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's see if we can fire up this bamboo before it starts raining again. The tools that we're using today are going to be a Corona razor tooth saw, $25 on Amazon, More Companion Stainless, about $30 on Amazon, and my Bayite keychain ferro rod. You get a 3-pack of those for about $15 on Amazon. And we'll put this node into the Hobo stove. You definitely better have presence of mind when you decide to drive your knife down through bamboo like that. You never want to hit the back of your knife baton with your hand. If you are that foolish like I am, you sure better have presence of mind, because once you come down and cut that off, you'll need not to swipe your hand back across that sharp edge. All right, let's get this fire started. Fire up the scrapings in the sprinkling rain. Make sure they're caught really well, because in this much humidity, believe it or not, they can go out very easily, which is what they're trying to do now. I'm going to have to ignite them again. It's all this moisture, isn't it? It's not wanting to light. Let's give it a chance to sort of dry, and then I'll blow on it. There we go with the flame. It had to get hot enough to dry it out to go ahead and ignite. Let's be careful with it. Let's baby it. We have learned something today. Bamboo, which would normally fire right up in the rain, in 100% humidity, not so much. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.